Today we're taking a look at a car AI box designed to bring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to Acura and Honda vehicles using the original factory screen. This device is compatible with models such as Acura MDX, RDX, TLX, ILX, RLX, and the Honda Odyssey, making it a simple and effective upgrade without replacing your dashboard display. The AI box supports both wired and wireless Apple CarPlay, connecting easily through Bluetooth for a clean and cable-free experience. It also supports Android Auto, with both wired and wireless options depending on your phone's compatibility. Once connected, you get access to real-time navigation, audio, messages, and hands-free calling directly on your original screen. Screen mirroring and Apple AirPlay are supported using a wired connection, allowing you to display videos and apps from your phone. The system also supports USB flash drive playback, so you can watch videos or listen to audio directly from a USB device. For safety and convenience, the AI box supports front and rear cameras, including original and aftermarket systems, and works with common video formats up to 720p. Siri voice control allows you to control navigation and calls without taking your hands off the wheel. Installation is plug and play, and the package includes an installation diagram. For users who want step-by-step guidance, installation videos are available upon request. If you want to modernize your Acura or Honda with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto while keeping the factory screen, this car AI box is a smart and reliable solution.